This song.
After waiting all these years, you came back with someone.
I want to show you exactly how to create songs like this. You can use it for your Faceless channels, and you can use it even for your channel or your page, depending on what you are doing. All right, you can generate it using AI. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so to generate your soundtrack, okay, please, this is not if you want to turn to a musician. Or Success didn't tell you that she's turning you into a musician. I'm not Ashake or Davido. This is if you created a video or you generated an image, you want to make it a video. All right, this is how you can add a perfect audio, a perfect music, a perfect soundtrack, even the one you have right now inside your phone or your laptop or your device. You can generate a music, a soundtrack now and post it. Okay, so you have no excuse not to start creating content. I've shown you different things, and the good thing is in this platform you can generate your image, your video, and now your music too. So let me show you. Once you log in, I'll leave the link in the description, in the comment section too, and in the description box, so you can use this platform to generate your music. Good one, right? So all you need to do once you log in, so this is the interface. All right, so just scroll down. You can do this using your phone or your anything, your Android, right? You'll see all tools right here. You don't need to click on it. Once you hover around it, you see different options right here. You see different options. For me, of course, we are creating music. All right, so I'll click on this create music right here. You wait a little bit for it to open up. Here you can generate just for a quick clip. If you are doing fast, you want to generate something fast, you can generate a 30-second clip. Okay, but if you're maybe creating I have made a video on how to generate kids animated videos, right? If you want to use this platform to generate an audio for that kids cartoon that we made, or for your African folktale, a 3-minute song, you can use this one. Okay, so now I will go to quick clip. All right, and then if I have a reference image, if I want it to generate, maybe I have an image, I want that image to help me tell it what it will generate. I'll still show you how to do that right now, but first let me show you how to generate a perfect image without you having to do anything, just using AI. First thing I will do, of course, you must have gotten your idea of the video and everything. Okay, so once you are done, you already know the type of song. Okay, let me play this video for you, the one that I made. Okay, so this is it right here. I use this platform to create the video. The idea was, and I will show you how I scripted the whole thing. Right, first I made this video without any sound, as you can see, so that I will use that song, that background music that I will generate to do it. This is it. It was a sad story of love, people that are in love, right? Then he moved to the city and she was waiting for him, as you can see right here. And when he got back, he married someone else. He came back with another person, right? So this is it right here, waiting for him. This is him and another person. Okay, and he rejected her, she walked away, and that is it. So with this story idea right now, I use ChatGPT to get my prompt. I already told it this is the story I want. I generated the video right here and also got my song. I told it I want it to be right, this I told it what I want it to be. So all I did, let me get the prompt. Okay, so this is it right here. All I did was to tell it I want a song. It generated the song for me. This is the background prompt for the AI music generator. Okay, so this is it. I told it the young woman waited faithfully for blah blah blah, right? So this is it. The mode should be sad. I'm the one that told ChatGPT these things, so you can type it, right? Even if you type it, it will still understand. So this is it right here. The style, soft emotional female vocals, blah blah blah, right? I want it to be emotional because the story is already emotional. That is why I said you have to have your story idea first, or even create the stories right? So once you copy, all you need to do is to put it to either full, depending on how long you want it to be. This will be a 30 seconds, right? Paste your prompt right here. It said mellow lofi beats with dusty this, right? This is where you paste the prompt right here. So I'll just paste the prompt, okay? What you want it to do, what the song will be all about, okay? I don't want any drum. This is it, no drums. Keep it soft, emotional. I want to hammer it so that you don't go and do ogene for me. This is not ogene, okay? And make sure to toggle this on, intensity on, key on, okay? I'm not a musician, but I just want to turn everything on. Okay, so this is it right here, and as you can see, to generate this 30-second audio, I know you are already enjoying this video. I'm very excited, and if you have learned one thing, please like this video. It helps YouTube show it to more creators like you who this video will be helpful to. Thank you. It will only take 25 credits, as low as 25 credits, okay? So let's check the credit it will take if you're doing a full music right here. Okay, it will take 50, okay? It will take 50 credits if you are generating a 3 minutes audio, right? So that is it. Now you see that the credit is very low, all right? I'll leave the link in the description button and in the comment section. Use that link to come into this platform to start creating, okay? And you cannot access this platform unless you subscribe, okay? Yeah, for transparency, you cannot access this platform. But as you can see, the credit is very low, so you can just get the, let me check the amount that we have here for, let me go to upgrade. Okay, so this, you can even get this $7 plan. The $7 plan will give you 4,000 images, 50 videos, okay? So this is it. This $14.5 will give you 12,000 credits. This will give you 4,000 credits, all right? So wait, I think it is in the yearly plan. Okay, no, I don't want annual. I want monthly. Okay, so this is monthly. It is 14, all right? It is $14, all right, for 4,000 credits. But if you're doing it for yearly, they'll give you discount, but it is monthly, right? So this is $14 actually. Okay, so you can get this $14. As you can see, to generate a 3 minutes video, it's 50 credits, just 50. So if you get this 4,000 credits, you generate so many, as you can see, 50 videos, so many songs, okay? So once you upgrade to this, you don't need to pay for any other music generator. You can use it to generate your image, video, and now audio, alright? So this is the plans you can upgrade to, depending on what you want to do. For a start, you can start with this $14, alright? So that is it. Once you come into this platform, just sign up using your Gmail, and once you're done, you hit on generate audio, all right? It doesn't take time to generate our audio. So right now it says no network. Is it from my network? Okay, so this, I have pasted this prompt. That is the video I showed at the beginning of this tutorial, right? So this is the song right here. This is the song right here. So that is it, okay? So this is the sound. So I generated the audio, all right, here, and this is the audio. I clicked here and downloaded it into my desktop. Like I said, you can use your phone or your Android, anything. Once you download it, now you go to your CapCut and then click on import. Then go to your downloaded files. As you can see, these are my downloaded. This is the song right here. You then import it right here. This is it right here. You can now drag it down. You know how to edit, right? And some of you say I should teach you how to edit videos, edit these photo videos. If you'll be interested to learn, if you want me to make a tutorial video on that, comment edit video in the comment section. If I get more comments on edit video, I will surely do a video on that. But if not, I'll assume you don't want to learn it and I will totally forget about it. Okay, so now let's play the audio right here.
After waiting all these years, you came back.
Okay, so as you can see right now, you can be able to generate, you can tell it what, even if you don't have the idea on the audio to create, you can just add your image, all right, the image of your video. You can just add it right here, image right here. I will click on uploads, and then from my laptop, I'll just select any image at all. Alright, so this is how you upload your image. Wait for it to upload. While we are waiting, let me show you the video right here, okay? So this is it right here.
After waiting all these years, you came back with dream, or was I loving you alone?
Okay, this is the video right here. As you can see, it was perfect. You can decide for it to be a male voice, for it to be a female voice. Okay, so the image is right here, as you can see. So you can now delete this one, tell it, make it emotional this, using this image as reference, right? Using this image one as reference, do this so emotional this thing. All right, you don't need to copy prompts. You can just add anything in your mind right here, and it will give you a perfect sound, a perfect song, a perfect soundtrack for your video. All right, so this is how to create good audio using quick clip or full song right here, or generate full song inside of OpenArt platform. All right, it is very well detailed. It will listen to the details, right, and give you a good audio. All right, use the link in the comment section and the description box. Start creating now. You can now start your Faceless channel because there's no excuse. There's no longer, I don't know how to generate music, I don't know. Now you know how to generate any type of song for yourself and for your channel. So start that Faceless YouTube channel now and let me know in the comments when you create something beautiful for yourself. I have success and I wish you success, and I know you love to see me in my next video. So like this video and subscribe to this channel. I will see you soon. Bye.